Hey guys, Ethan the Shooter Squad here. I reviewed my last video and I figured out you couldn't hear a word I was saying. It's pretty much ear rape throughout the whole thing, so yeah, all I have now is sound. And I tried to go back here. Oh wait, am I able to get it? Did I just like shoot the game or something? What? Oh, that's right. I'm just gonna run again, and maybe I'll be able to shoot the game. Well, I just broke the game. There we go. I'm really sorry about that. That was a horrible. Okay. To put out there, that was just trash. Alright, bestiary, quest. Alright, metal, so I do have all the bestiary. I haven't even faced one of those yet. Who cares? Hats. It's metal. Oh, dude, that's pretty cool. You can upgrade stuff? No. I did not know this. I really didn't know this. Alright. Dude. Now this is a beast. Alright, that does 30. Oh, maybe I should pick this one that does 5 attack. Alright, wait, it only does 20, but it does way more. Right, swords. I don't know how this is a sword, but who cares? So this now does 30. This now does 45. Armor. Oh no, bring up my casual shirt. That's obviously the best. It really is. Dang it. Armor, female. What is she wearing? Yeah, I think she's wearing this. I mean, we don't want to be mean to her just because she's a girl. That would be genetics. Alright, here, we gotta go back to town anyway. So, I was just using arrow keys and the freaking WASD at the same time. Okay, I kept trying to do it on purpose. Okay, let's just go back to WASD. WASD is how the real gamers play. Alright, we need to sell you. That'll give us money. Sell you. Alright, we needed 2 of these, but I'm not buying 2 of those. I'll buy 1 of each. And we're gonna see what Lance needed. Dude, the whole time I was never even. Oh god, I'm so retarded. Miscegenatics. Gold and old wood. Gold wood. 10 out of 10. I think. Okay, let's do the fiber. I guess it's going to change every time. So, oh god, yeah. Miscegenatics. And then I'm gonna complete some quests while I'm at it. Alright, miscegenatics. All I need is a Metal Gear. Alright, that's pretty easy. When I have something else, dude, that's probably why I was losing so bad. I could have went on my other account and just freaking wrecked him because I had so much crap that I didn't need. Miscegenatics. Hey, what do you need? Oh yeah, I already mentioned. See, it goes from -20. Okay. And then it will just go to 0 if I give it a ruby. Good. Let's get 1 metal plate. We gotta upgrade some of our basic stuff. I might not ever use it. I usually don't after I find one really good thing. But now I know at least I can have some bad to the bone stuff. Did I really just say that? What do I need for level 3? 4. Alright. I mean, how much do they cost? I'm not doing that. Okay. I think we're all set. Did I upgrade your armor? What do you need? I know I upgraded. Oh, I gotta change into the casual shirt. It lets me be healed faster. I usually give Matt all the good stuff because I like Matt. I like Matt. Matt's the coolest. Armor, mail. What do you need? 2 squidicles. Squidicles? Squid tentacles. It's molest. Molesting days are over. See, this game is so funny. Alright, that's about it. Wait, I do have to get a potion of the dead for that one guy. Commitments, what? I'm thinking. I know there's a guy over here that gives you tons of that good stuff, right? Alright. A pinnacle. Dude, pineapples are a lot of money. But I think he gives you a lot of good stuff if you do it. I don't remember. Hoodie. 20 things of beer. Gummy pop. That was a bad deal. I can sell a lot of this beer. I don't usually use stuff like this, so say. Alright, got my money back. Alright, buy coffee. That's all we need. Gosh darn Digimon Heroes. Alert. Yes, I played Digimon. I'm so close to getting my Devimon into a Van Demon. I think that's what it's called. I'm not gonna go look. Alright, what do I need? See, I usually do this. I sit here and look at what quest I need. Do I have what he needs? Yes. Do I have what he needs? No. Do I have what her needs? No. I can buy one of those. Nah, dude, those are actually really hard. Okay. Go buy. I have no horns. I'm not horny at all. Oh gosh, that's really expensive. Alright, and I'm gonna buy one of these because she needed it for her little hat. Alright, well, I'm going to come back after I am done and back to the Pumpkin King. So see you. Oh yeah, guys, before I do that, I know this little, I don't know why, but if you go into equips, well, I mean, if you click over here, see, he has this blade, but I don't have it yet. It's just a wind blade, kind of like this one. I mean, this one. But see, yeah, that was a little cool thing. So, see it again. Dang it. You didn't get to see. I was trying to show you the little sound they make when they hit you. They go like. So, maybe I'll show you all. It's super funny. Somebody should play that. That's what good sounds like. Anyway, goodbye. Hey, dude. I got your stuff. Battery. And Berserk. Okay, great. Kill yourself. Well, guys, back again. It appears this guy's the boss. He looks quite different from others. Pretty sure stabbing him will work. Get the right idea, Brady. Alright, Matt. What do I need? I need you. I know that. I need you upgraded. And I need you. You're good. You're good. Alright, sorry guys, my grandpa came in and he was all like, give me your phone number, little boy. So, you know, I gave him my phone number. Alright, what do we need? We need you. You're a good thing. Alright, so I think we're just about ready to fight this guy. We forged, you know, our weapons up. Here we go. So slow starting off. Did I hit? Oh, I was like, please don't make me hit the wrong one. So I have revive for her. Even though when she revives someone, it only brings them back with like 2 health. But But at least it's bringing back. Ugh. I don't even know what that was. I think I have acid reflux over there. Halfway through it. Alright. Biggity bobbity boobity touch my boobies. Alright. See, look. See? Remember, little cheat. See, it's still there. And it's only with the Gaia axe. That's it. It's not with any of the other ones. Dang it, I keep using, what's it called? Yeah, we're gonna win this time. I don't have a doubt. He's a quarter taken down, and my best characters, you know, barely dead. See, this guy, all his skills cost like twice as much as theirs, because he's like twice as good. Yeah, boy. He's level 7. We're like level 8 and stuff. If they're higher level than you, the guy already said, you know, they don't, you can't hit him as much. Alright, so they're all his sidekicks should be dead now. Now we can just focus on really killing him. I mean, that's what I was doing at the time, but I didn't want to tell you guys that. Let you be mysteried. Mysteried. You will be mysteried. Wait. I mean, wait. This does 50. Okay, we need to use you. Yeah. Wait, I think one of them's, yeah, machine gun nipples. Alright, here we go. Wait, why did I do that? Hey, that actually did a lot more damage, but that's only because it was a critical hit. My dad hit me harder than that when I was a baby. Is that her talking? I don't know. Who cares? I think this will do, like, a lot more damage. Yeah. All my things are usually boosted, because, like, this, see, since it's orange, that means she's got the right, like, weapon elementing, you know what I mean? She's got the right weapon element, or complementing her elements. Attack, elemental attack. I don't know. Just shut up. Whoa. Alright, here we go. He's almost dead. He's gonna die in this round or the next. There's no hope for you, big boy. Powerful robot boss. I wanna scan you. There's no reason to, but attacks fire with bomb attacks, mechanical pumpkin. I mean, I didn't care. It was just one tiny turn. He'll be dead, probably, this round. It doesn't matter if he doesn't. He's got, large attacks. Oh, I used your last 2 MP for that. Oh. Alright, here we go. This should kill him. Nah, he's not dead. Just hope Natalie doesn't die. Alright, Natalie's not dead. We're cool. I mean, it doesn't matter. He's dead. Wait, was that like a Pokemon? I could have swore that was a Pokemon. It just went like one of the Pokemon sounds. I like how Pikachu's like Pika Pika, and then all the other ones are like, oh. We're retarded. 60. Hey, little boy. You wanna fight? Alright. She's gonna kill him, I'm gonna kill the other. Well, I should just use, like, my limit break if I had it. Just plow all 5 attacks in. Alright, yay, woo, woo, we got the treasure. Well, guys, gonna have to end it here. We did just kill the boss, and I know it was over here. I kind of edited that out because I'm running out of time. But yeah, see you guys next.